Hi, I'm Willica, and today I'm going to share with you a little information about screen printing. Screen printing is a way you can easily make many copies of the same design on shirts, t-shirts, or tea towels. In Design Space, I'm going to start with my design. It can be any design that you like. In this case, I have a recipe, and I'm going to make a rectangle that's just a little bit bigger than my design, so probably about 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch bigger. So I'll just size that. I'll just change the color so we can see it a little bit better. Now I'll send it to the back. Now I want to center the two, so select both, align, center. Now I'm going to select both again, and I'm going to hit slice. Well, this will make our stencil for our screen print. Now that it's sliced, I'm going to delete my original recipe as well as the stuff that's been sliced out. And lastly, I'm going to flip it horizontally as we need it mirrored to go on the bottom of our screen. So take that to your Cricut and cut it out. I use Cricut permanent vinyl for my stencils. Now that I'm weeding, I weed out the part that I want the ink to go in because we're making a stencil. So I took out all the little intricate letters. I applied my transfer tape. Now I peel back the backing. I like to kind of roll it off, being very careful to keep all those little pieces. And here I have sticky side up on my workspace. I line it up and then I place my screen so that the vinyl stencil is on the bottom of the screen. I adhere it with my Cricut scraper, turn it over, remove the transfer tape. Now you can see there I have some little bubbles. So to get rid of those bubbles, I'm going to use my mini easy press on the lowest setting, firm pressure, and just do a quick movement across. This is on the right side of the stencil, so not directly on the vinyl, it's on the screen. So now you can see it's much smoother. There will be no spots for bleeds. So I'll take my masking tape and block off the rest. Then I take my hinge. This is optional. You can just place it right on your t-shirt or right on your tea towel, but the hinge gives you a second chance if you need to reprint your screen or your tea towel. So now I'm applying my ink to the one side of the screen, and then we're going to use the squeegee to take the ink across the stencil, and it will just bleed through the little holes or where my writing is, and it will make a mark on our tea towel. I'm just lining up my tea towel, put my screen down, grab my squeegee. I didn't quite have enough on the top part, so I'm just moving some over, doing it on second swipe. And when you lift it up, you have your design on there. So you just firm, even pressure, swipe all the way across, and you can repeat this many, many times. This day I did 14 towels in a row. So this is nice on these intricate designs. You only have to weed it once, and I made 14 towels in about 10 minutes. Once you're all done, just take your screen to the tub. I just use warm water to wash it off, peel off the stencil that gets thrown out, wash it off, and then it's ready for my next project. Leave these tea towels to dry overnight, and then I heat set them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 seconds, and they are ready to be on display, to be used, washed, dried, etc. Thanks for watching. I hope you can give this a try.